Old Tom, Rambler 69. Gonna do a mail call. We got some Christmas cards that's coming to the shop, and we're gonna do a final reveal on the Mooneyes Dragster. We got that all finished up. So first up, got a card from Gavin, my mayor over in the UK, Gavin Booth, and beautiful card. We appreciate the words in the inside, Gav, and we really appreciate it, buddy. And we hope you and your family have a great Christmas, buddy. Thank you very much, bud. Then my Pete over in the UK, he sent me a nice little card. He also sent along some stickers, which I left in the house, but he sent me a Rat Fink and another little hot rod sticker, which was really cool. Appreciate it, Pete. Thank you very much. Hope you have a great Christmas, buddy. Your cards are in the mail, coming your way. We got Doug's card, sir, and cool card. Like the old truck. We appreciate it, Doug, and I see you already got my card, and we thank you very much and hope you have a great Christmas, my friend. Thank you, buddy. So, what we got, finished up this Mooneyes, and we'll go over this a little bit, but those of you who've been following along, you know I started this shortly after the first of the year last year, and I kind of got burnt out on it because this kit had a lot of fitment issues, and I put it away, let it sit there. Well, I didn't really put it away. It just sat around on the bench. And after I got done with these GTs and all this other stuff, I got done with Fred's build. I jumped back on it, and we knocked it out. We'll show you how she come out. I think she's turned out really cool. Paint's come out nice. Decals have come out nice. And we finally got that seam down the middle of this cowl here that was a two-part. That was a real pain for me to do, but these tires are in the kit. Wheels are parts box. We changed those out. And front wheels, tires, this front axle, all this is out of the Tony Nancy Dragster kit. I changed all that out. This has a drop axle like it should now. The kit doesn't provide you with one. But I think she's turned out really neat. We added all the details to this kit. We got the Scratch made a little chute mount back here, did a chute, and we got the cables and the chute lines, and everything's done on it. All the fuel lines are all run, if you can see all that. Injector lines are all done, throttle cable. Did a magneto on it, but I think it looks the part. We're happy how it turned out. Definitely a tough kit to build, but it's a 1962 tooling. And I've always wanted to build one, and now we, with Atlantis putting it back out, we was able to do so. So we got one. We'll be making a little haul vehicle for this. Do a video on that. We'll do an upcoming show what vehicle we're going to do. But it's about all we got, guys. We're not going to keep you long, and we'll do a little slideshow here at the end of the build pics and some finished pics of the build. So everybody take care. Old Tom, Rambler 69. We're at her, guys.